Now we're going to turn to Weather Watch 12 because it is an impact day. Hot, humid, and you're tracking some storms in the area for our evening. Something to be aware of. You can feel it when you step outside.
Absolutely. It's the air you can wear. We have a lot of humidity, high dew points. That's lots of moisture and heat. And storms love both of those things. It's the environment that they thrive in. Plus, we have a cold front on the way. That's going to help to lift that heat and humidity and turn into showers and thunderstorms. So all morning we have been muggy and dry. We have a lot of sunshine. It is a very warm, toasty summer day from now until about 6 o'clock. I don't expect a whole lot of anything. In fact, it's just going to seem like a pleasant summer day, a good swimming day. Heat index, though, getting to the mid-90s. Now, we don't have a heat advisory in effect. We're below that threshold, but there are heat advisories to the south of us. However, this is the big story right here, 6 to 11 o'clock. From west to east, I would say 6 o'clock, that's more the Madison area. And then if you're a little bit further east, I would say Milwaukee. At this point, based on what I'm seeing, between 7 and 8 o'clock, you can expect those storms to get into the Milwaukee metro area. So if you have plans, you have events going on this evening, there's a lot of people from out of town, just be aware of that. All modes of severe weather will be possible. That does include isolated tornadoes, damaging winds, but I do think that wind will be the primary threat here. The heat index this afternoon, like I said, could get as high as 95 degrees for many of us. So just practice safe, heat tips when it comes to wearing loose light clothing, drinking lots of water, and also make sure you're wearing your sunscreen. Not a whole lot going on right now. As I mentioned, the radar is nice and dry with no problems, but this is the severe threat for later today. And I just noticed an update, literally as we're on the screen here, which means I'm likely going to bump this to an alert day. That is brand new information. I'm telling you right now here, live on 12 News at 11. Milwaukee has now been added to a 3 out of 5 risk. We were just in a 2. Now we're in a 3. Waukesha also in a 3 out of 5 risk. You see southern Waukesha County. And this is exactly what I've been saying all morning, mainly south of 94. That doesn't mean if you're north, you're not going to get bad storms, but this is where the primary apex of those storms are going to move through. Today, the high is 90 degrees with evening strong storms. The rest of the 7-day forecast I'm barely going to touch on because it's much cooler and it's drier. That's it. Here's the new Futurecast coming in here. I just loaded this a little while ago. This is why we're added to that 3 out of 5 risk. And when you see it kind of bowing like this, you see that curve structure, that's a very good indication of some damaging wind gusts. There also could be, especially in that orange color where I just showed you, there definitely could be some isolated tornadoes that pop in here, getting into northern Illinois as well. It's a lot of heavy rain and downpours. That's going to move through pretty quickly, and then a quick tiny little threat in Sheboygan of a downpour there, and even some of those damaging winds. We're good. You can sleep soundly overnight, but this threat, again, 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. Have your phones charged, know what to do during severe weather. This is a pretty rough timeline here based on what I'm seeing, so it kind of gives you an idea on what to expect in your community. These are the arrival times, so be on guard, especially if you're in Waukesha and Milwaukee County, between 7 and that 9 o'clock hour. So I just told you that was a brand new update from the Storm Prediction Center. Milwaukee and Waukesha now included the southern part of each county in that 3 out of 5 risk. After this, you are good to go. You don't need to worry about much. Yeah, there could be some showers overnight Tuesday, but today is the big day. A lot of people from out of town here. It's hot, it's humid, and we have a severe storm threat.
Yeah, if you're not from here, it's not usually this hot.
People
from the south might feel right at home.
Right, exactly, right.
Thanks, Lindsay.